Hello, my name is Andrew Kelly. This is a short video about rolling your own cigarettes. There's a section at the end of the video which goes into references, cigarette paper, filters, tobacco, the machine I use for rolling the cigarettes, and anything else that comes to mind. I'll be showing various snippets of me basically operating the machine to create cigarettes from different angles, maybe having some issues along the way so you can see how I solve them. This could save you a little bit of money. I used to spend between $500 and $600 a month on smoking, and now, depending on my geographic location, I spend somewhere between $50 to $80 a month on everything: the supplies, the tobacco, the empty filters, and it saves a lot of money. I do this from my camper. I don't have fancy equipment, which pretty much assures me that all the cool people are not going to stay and watch, which is fine. They probably don't smoke either. But enjoy. I plan to not do a lot of talking. I'll be putting in captions or some written commentary along the way on the video itself to point out whatever it was I wanted to point out when I made the video for that particular cigarette that I'm rolling. And that's it. There will be links below in the description for all the materials that I'll be showing, and I'm also going to mention it at the end of the video, as I said before. Enjoy the show, and hope you stay. Oh yes, and subscribe and like. As I said in another video, it'll make me feel wonderful. I don't push any product, so sorry. Enjoy. Hello again, and finally we are at the end of the video, and as promised, here are the details about the materials used in the video. The Hawk-Matic HK2 is the machine we used. There's the name, and there is the model. I will have a link to the Hawk-Matic website, as well as a link to the actual product that I bought on Amazon. I'm not really pushing any product here. It's just what I use, what I prefer and like. I really like this machine. And contrary to what you saw in the video, it actually really never gets stuck. I had to work real hard to get enough tobacco in there that it would throw up its hand and get stuck. So my apologies to the little machine here. The tobacco I use is the OHM Blue, and this happens to be the 6-ounce bag. You can get them in a 16-ounce, 1 pound as well. Just my preference. I will include in the description below a link to the outlet where I buy this, both this as well as the empty filters. If you're desperately looking for something and you can't get it at a liquor store or a smoke shop somewhere, that's a good place to go. I really like them as well. And empty filters. That's okay, I've got other spare boxes. And these are made by Gambler. They're called Gambler Tube Cut 100s. That's what I use. There's plenty of choices out there for you to choose your own. And this gets us to the end of the video. I appreciate your viewing and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.